Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We got another 2026 Jeep Gladiator. This is a Rubicon and it's in the Purple Reign exterior paint. This is one of our most popular colors that we've been doing on builds besides the 41. But we'll go ahead and get into it and kind of talk some of the I guess the factory optional equipment that has been added on this build, and then we'll talk some of the upgrades that we performed right here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, you guys. So this Gladiator Rubicon is going to come with the vented hood, which is now kind of known as the Super Dome hood package. So it's got the little cowl in the center with the two vents on each side. You're going to get the LED lighting package. Got the front trail cam, very handy when you're going off-roading and hitting the trails. Got the steel bumper group, so it's going to get the front and rear steel bumpers. And standard with the Gladiator Rubicon package, you get the rock rails. Also give you an interior shot as well. So this one I believe has got the cold weather package. So it's going to have the heated seats, heated steering wheel. As you can see, this one is brand new. Still got the plastic on the interior. This one's only got 12 miles. It's a very clean build. Got the leather wrapped steering wheel. Got the Freedom panels up top. 12.3 inch display. You're also gonna get the painted hardtop. Got the rear sliding window. Also got the bed liner with the, looks like the LED lighting in the bed as well, the cargo lights. Got the LED tail lights. There's your rear steel bumper, tow package. As we kind of finish up walking around the Gladiator, we'll start talking about some of the aftermarket upgrades that were fitted right here at Cross Jeep. Very clean. This is, like I said, this is one of our popular, I guess, build colors or exterior paints. We got the Purple Reign, and then 41 is another one that is a pretty popular, item here at Cross Jeep. But so on this one, we went with 17-inch KMC wheels, and they are bead locks. And then we also wrapped around those are 37-inch Toyo open country tires. Really nice, aggressive stance. Look really good. Got the painted fenders as well. And then we also did a AEV, I guess 2-inch spacer kit lift. So it's got a nice lift in the front end, making it level with the rear. But yeah, very clean build. Short video for you all today, but I just like to show off some of these builds that we do. And I mean, honestly, I really like the silver wheels with the Purple Reign. I think it matches up great. A lot of people like to do the black wheels, and personally, I think the silver really just stands out. But yeah, this is another one of my favorites. I really like the Purple Reign. It's a nice new color on the Gladiators. The hood, it's a nice, I guess, subtle / aggressive, hood. But yeah, I would say I appreciate you all sticking around and checking out this 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon with the AEV lift, 37-inch tires, and KMC beadlock wheels. Be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And also check out our website, you all. It's going to be crossjeep.com. And we got a lot of new and used inventory, in stock currently. So be sure to check out our website. And if you, are interested in this build, please contact us. It's going to be 502-537-1738. Thank you, guys.